Hello, my name is Alexis Caputo. Today is May 19th, 2018, and I will be discussing the function and structure of epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissue for Bio 230, lab video assignment number 2. Epithelial tissue protects the body by forming a layer of cells that acts as a barrier between internal and external environments, and there are 5 types of this cell. Ciliated are pseudo stratified and line the respiratory tract and push unwanted foreign substances that enter the body through inhaled air superiority toward the mouth. Exchange are thin, flat squamous cells that allow substances such as gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide to be passed easily across the epithelium. The lungs and the capillaries are composed of this exchange cell. Protective are stratified with tight junctions to prevent any substances from passing through the epithelium. The skin is an example of protective epithelium, and this type of cell is also located on the linings of the mouth, esophagus, pharynx, urethra, and vagina. Transporting epithelial tissue selectively transports ions and nutrients from external environment to internal environment, and these are found in the kidney, which is simple cubital shape, and intestines, which is simple columnar. And lastly, secretory include cells that synthesize and secrete substances such as mucus and hormones, and are shaped simple or stratified, columnar or polygonal, and they are found in sweat, saliva, pancreas glands, as well as thyroid and gonad. Connective tissue provides support for internal tissues and organs and is characterized by its extensive extracellular matrix. Types of connective tissue include loose, dense, adipose, fluid, and supporting. The elastic, loose connective tissue lie under the skin and are also found around small glands. Adipose is considered a loose connective tissue consisting mainly of fat in liquid form, which occupies most cell volume. Most of the adipose tissue in adults is white and found protecting the kidney and cushioning the back of the eye. Dense connective tissue are reinforced by bundles of fiber and contain more collagen than loose, and is elastic and strong and found in tendons, ligaments, and tissues that cover muscle and nerves. Fluid connective tissue is made up of blood and lymph. Blood is a mobile connective tissue and has extensive extracellular matrix called plasma, and lymph contains a liquid matrix and white blood cells, in which lymph drains into the blood vessels to deliver molecules to the blood. Finally, supporting connective tissue includes cartilage and bone. Bone has a rigid extracellular matrix contained mostly of collagen fibers, and it provides protection to internal organs and supports the body. There are 3 types of cartilage: hyaline, found in the rib cage and nose; fibrocartilage, found in the meniscus and intervertebral disc; and elastic cartilage, found in external ear, all of which are strong and provide support. Muscle tissue is excitable, responding to stimulation and contracting to provide movement, and occurs in 3 major types: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal are long, cylindrical fiber, striated, mainly peripherally located nuclei. They are voluntary movement, produces heat, protects organs, and is attached to bones and around entrance points to the body, like the mouth. Cardiac are short, branched, striated, single central nucleus, which contracts to pump blood and found in the heart. Smooth are short, spindle-shaped, no evident striation, single nucleus in each fiber, and they are with involuntary movement, moves food, involuntary control of respiration, and moves secretions, regulates flow of blood in arteries by contraction, and they're found in the walls of major organs and pathways. Nervous tissue includes neurons, nerve cells that transmit information from one portion of the body to another. Neurons stimulate the muscle cells to move and are the main cells of the central processing unit of the body, the brain and spinal cord. Glial cells are also considered nervous tissue, surrounded neurons to provide biochemical support for the neurons.